What's up, guys? Welcome to Blake's Garage, another totally tubular 2-minute tool time Tuesday. Today, I'm gonna talk about something that's cool in the toolbox to have. If you guys have ever broken a stud, here they are. These are some old school ones. I'm gonna try to put a link down below in the description for you. So these tools right here were my grandfather's, and they were given to me, which is pretty cool if I do say so myself. And these are some Cornwell tools here. Now this is for extracting studs. And what do I mean by that? We have this little guy right here. This is the little insert stud extractor. You can see there's like 4 little rollers on the side, and they have some nurdling on the inside there, as you can see those little lines and whatnot. The idea here is to find the particular one that's the closest to this size. This one right here would be for 1/2 inch studs, as it says 1/2 inch. This one right here is for 5/16, and I'm sure we can find these for metric as well. And as we can see right there, the 5/16 one, oh yeah, it looks to be just proper. So you would go ahead and install this on your stud. You could have a little bit hanging out, you could have a lot hanging out. So as you can see with this piece, it's kind of rounded in the corners, but it's also square, because when we rotate it, it's gonna apply force onto these rolling edges right here and get it nice and grippy. Once it gets tight on there, you are gonna start applying some freaking force, and you're gonna be able to remove that stud. Now you can see it's starting to twist my vise and getting nice and tight on there. If you did this, yes, you would damage some threads. Let me show you that. This is basically just for getting something stubborn out. You can obviously see the marring there from the nurdling on the side of this little guy right here. But yeah, this works amazing. This is some old school tech right here. They've been around for years. As you can see, this is an old school set that I got right here. But I'll try to find some links for something like this down below. This is why I made this segment, guys, the totally tubular 2-minute tool time Tuesday, to show you guys cool tools like this one right here, this little stud remover. It comes in very handy when you need it. You know, it's one of those little items that when you got it, you got it. When you don't, you wish you had it. So link down below in the description, guys. Helps out the channel if you purchase anything through those links as their affiliate links. We will talk to you guys soon. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button. Later, guys, and wrench on.